Hey there, welcome back to our JavaScript journey. Today we are going to delve into something really interesting, the map polyfill. So, what exactly is a map polyfill? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you have an array filled with different elements and you want to do something with each element. Say multiply it by 5. That's where map polyfill comes into play. So before we move on to map polyfill, let's check out how the map function works in JavaScript. So let's see how map function works. So let's say we have an array nums which has elements from 1 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Now let's say I want to multiply each and every element into the num array to, let's say, 5, number 5, right? So I want to multiply each element with 5. Okay, so let's say how we can do that with map function. So map will always return an array, so we have this new array, and in this new array we will put nums dot map. Okay, and this map function will take in a callback which have the current element, the index. Okay, and then we have to say, like, I have to multiply each element with 5, right? So num into, okay, let's check what we are getting in the console. Yes, so we are getting 5, 10, 15, right? So here each and every element is multiplied by 5. So let me check with 10. Let's see we are getting the correct result or not. Yes, so our new array updated. So now it's 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Okay, so let's create a polyfill now. Okay. So we'll start by creating a function called custom map, which we are adding to the prototype of the array object. Okay. So here we will say array.prototype dot our function name. Okay, and it's a function, right? Now this function takes another function as an argument. So this cv function will be a callback function. So in this callback function we will define what we want to do with each element of the array. So inside this function we will create an empty array where we will store all the modified elements. So let new array, then we will loop through each element of the array using for loop. So we'll create a for loop that I equals to 0, I is less than this dot length. So here this dot length is the array length. Now here is the magic. For each element in the array we will call the callback function. This function receives 3 parameters: the current element, current index, and the array itself. So after performing the desired operation on each element using the callback function, we push the modified element into our new array. Now let's see this in action. I'll copy and paste the above code, and here I'll pass my custom map function here, and now it should behave same as the above, right? It should return us the new array with each element multiplied by 10. Yeah, I have to comment the console. So new array is undefined. Oh, we have to return the new array also, right? So after returning, let's see what we are getting. So we get a new array with each number multiplied by 10. Isn't that cool? Now you might wonder, where would I use this? Well, imagine you are building a shopping website and you have a list of product prices. You can use a Map Polyfill to apply a discount to each price of your products. Or let's say you are working on a social media platform and you want to format each post text differently. Map Polyfill can come to the rescue here too. And that's a wrap up for today, folks. We have covered the Map Polyfill in JavaScript, learned how it works, and explored some real world applications. I hope you find this journey insightful and fun. Stay curious, keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding!